welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video we will see how to calculate the factor of a number. So first we will see the definition of a factor. Factor means that it will divide by the number itself leaving no remainder, or with other numbers but remainder should be 0. For example, if you are taking 10 divided by 1, it is divisible, so 1. 10 divided by 2 is also a factor of 10. 5 is also a factor of 10. So let us do it with practically. First, how we will calculate the factor? Let us check once again. Here first number we have to take. Factors of a number we have to take, for which we have to calculate the factorial. 10 we are taking, same. So 10, first 10 divided by 1, remainder is 0, so 1 is a factor. 10 divided by 2, remainder is 0, so 2 is also a factor. 10 divided by 3, remainder is 1, so 3 is not a factor. Here percent we are using for remainder operation. So 10% 4, again 4 is also a not factor. Then 10% 5, it is 0, so 5 is a factor. 10% 6 is also not a factor because remainder is not 0. So 10% 7, 10% 8, like that we can check. 10% 10, remainder is 0, so 10 is also a factor. So here we can write factor of 10 is 1, 2, 5 and 10. Similarly, another example we will take for 30. So 30 is divisible by 1, 2, 3, 4. It is not divisible by 4 because 30% 4 you will get remainder as 2. 30% 5, 0. 30% 6, remainder 0. 30% 10, remainder 0. 30% 15, remainder 0, and the number itself. So 30 is also the factor of 30. So hence we will write it using the for loop. Now first we will take the data from the user. How we will write it in the programming term? X is equal to int input, enter the number. Then one extra number we will take in the range function. For I in range, one variable I we will take for I in range 1 comma x plus 1, because factors we are starting from 1. So 1 comma x plus 1. If we are taking 0 here, so any number divided by 0 will be infinity. So 1 comma x plus 1 we will take, that means 31, 1 comma 31. So that number we will check till 30. 30% 1, 30% 2, 30% 3, 30% 4, 30% 5. Hence the output will be the 1, 2, 5, 10. Now same let us execute through the programming part. Open the IDLE, take the data from the user. Same steps I am writing in the IDLE code also. Enter the number. Next, for loop you can write for I in range 1 comma x plus 1. Same line you have to write here also. Why we are not taking 0 instead of 1? Because any number divided by 0 will be infinity. So 1 comma x plus 1. X plus 1, 1 extra y you are taking because stop value will not be included. So here if remainder is 0, if x% I remainder equal to 0, that means I is a factor of x. I is a factor of x. So print we can write factors of x is, factors of number is, comma I. I hope you have understood this program. Now let us execute the output also, run the program. First you have to save the program, give some meaningful name like factors. Any name you can give, but it should be meaningful. So you can give the factor name, save it and execute it. Take the same number 10. So similarly you got answer 1, 2, 5, 10. I hope you have understood this program. Thanks for watching. Keep subscribe the channel for more such videos. Thank you.